Inwood Drive is in good condition and is a signature street that runs through the heart of Houston's prestigious River Oaks neighborhood, an area renowned for its opulent homes, mature oak trees, and beautifully maintained landscapes. Inwood Drive provides a smooth and well-maintained route for residents and visitors alike. As a key thoroughfare within one of Houston's most affluent communities, Inwood Drive reflects the high standards of upkeep and infrastructure that complement the neighborhood's reputation for luxury, elegance, and enduring residential appeal. Additionally, Inwood Drive is lined with numerous road humps that play an important role in promoting traffic safety and preserving the residential character of the River Oaks neighborhood. By encouraging motorists to reduce their speed, these traffic calming measures help protect pedestrians, cyclists, joggers, and residents who regularly use the street and sidewalks. The reduced vehicle speeds also contribute to a quieter, safer environment and enhancing the quality of life for the surrounding community. Overall, the road humps are an effective traffic management feature that supports safe travel while reinforcing the neighborhood's emphasis on pedestrian safety and livability. Also, Inwood Drive is currently experiencing numerous residential construction projects as older homes are renovated or replaced with new residences, thus resulting in increased construction activity along the street. Temporary construction staging, equipment and material deliveries can create additional traffic and require drivers to exercise greater caution. Moreover, Inwood Drive has little to no definable road shoulder, leaving limited space for vehicles to maneuver around stopped construction traffic, parked vehicles, or other roadside obstructions. As a result, motorists should expect occasional delays in some areas and reduced operating space. Furthermore, road markings along much of Inwood Drive have become faded, thus reducing the visibility of pavement delineation for motorists, particularly during nighttime travel or adverse weather conditions such as heavy rainfall. While the roadway's alignment is generally straightforward, worn center lines and edge markings may make it more difficult for drivers to clearly identify lane boundaries and roadway edges, especially when combined with construction activity or parked vehicles. Did you know Inwood Drive is often considered one of Houston's most scenic residential streets and is frequently featured in neighborhood home tours and real estate publications? Did you know the River Oaks neighborhood is one of the first master-planned luxury communities in Texas, developed in the 1920s by brothers William Hogg and Michael Hogg? Along with Hugh Potter, the neighborhood was designed with strict architectural standards, landscaped boulevards, parks, and deed restrictions that helped preserve its character. Today, River Oaks is widely regarded as one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in the United States, with many homes valued in the tens of millions of dollars and a long history of attracting business leaders, philanthropists, and prominent public figures.
If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.